Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Umar Ahmed and this is our last lecture which is how to print your Revit files or sheets which you have prepared. So in this lesson what I'll train you guys about is how you can print the file and basically how you can uh, show it to potential clients so that they like your approach, your design, etc. So without further ado, let's get started. So basically, what you have to do is you have to move down to sheets and you click on the first one and then you move right up to the end one and press the shift key and it will select all of the available sheets. And what I like to do is I like to delete all of the previous available files. By doing so, it makes you regenerate the sheet right from scratch and trains you how you can prepare the sheet for yourself. So I click on sheet, I right click on it, and I select new sheet. And over here we have multiple sheets over here for us. We have a 8.5 times 11, which is vertical, but we want to move with the horizontal sheet. So let's move with you can see this one, C, and I click on OK, and there we have it. So you see we have very decent Autodesk sheet being installed on this UI interface. And what you're going to do is basically you have to drag and drop all of the things that you have created. So let's suppose we created the floor plan. I click on over here and the floor plan is being loaded. If you want to make it bigger, you have to select 1/2 inch equals 1 feet. Click on apply and it has just tremendously increased the size. So we'll reduce it a little. Oh, it's expanding. We have to move down. Sorry. 1/4 equal. And yeah, there we go. So you can see that just by using the mouse button you can fit the floor plan into the sheet. And let's fit in. Maybe you have to select this one too. Yeah, now this looks way more adjustable. So yep, click outside and there you go, the floor plan is perfectly sided into the sheet. Now let's suppose that you get this sheet and you're happy with this. So you're going to change the project name. Let's suppose it was BIM tutorials and you save the name. You change the client name. Let's suppose I type my name, which is Umar Ahmad, and you can change all of the features accordingly. You see that the time is also changing accordingly. So yeah, that's a really cool feature of Revit, that it keeps track of the up-to-date information. You can adjust this table as per your requirements by double clicking on it, and it will load the default features. You can change it for yourself if you want to, but I like to keep it as it is because it's the reference file. And just a moment, yeah, so there you go, we have loaded our floor plan and we can easily print it. And yeah, let's print it. So let's click on file, click on print, and we have selected this as our mode to print. So let's move towards Microsoft print to PDF, and there we have it. We have our default location being shown over here, and let's select the selected sheets and click on select. So over here we have created a new floor plan sheet which is named as sorry, I haven't read the name, so let's go back and let's go back again, and there we have it, sheets all. It's named as C102 unnamed. So let's go again, click on print, click on the select sheet, and there you go, sheet 110 C102 unnamed. Click on select, click on yes. So there you go, you have just selected the sheet that you want to be printed, and click on setup. So we want to print sheets on A3 paper because it's comparatively bigger, and we want to fit it to page. And I don't know where is the preview option, but let's look it for a while. Colors should be grayscale or black lines. Grayscale is better. And yeah, there you have it. I click on OK, and we click on OK, and yes, and then you can save the PDF for yourself. So I'll name it as uh, BIM flow plan, and click on save, and it will save the floor plan for you guys. So yeah, that was all for this lecture. I hope it was meaningful. So yeah, that's all from my end. I hope the lectures are meaningful, and I hope you learned something. In this tutorial, what I showed you guys, how you can basically cite the floor plan that you have created. You can move other parameters as well, like the elevations we have created, uh, like this one. So yeah, you just have to drag and drop everything. If you want to show the elevations, you can create a separate sheet. You can uh, play around with it. You can type in the description. You just have to double click it and type the details that you want to enter, and that will basically help you out with everything. So yeah, you can change the uh, file name. For example, we name it as A-1, which is standard for architectural drawings, and C is for construction drawings. So you can change that as well. You can change the checker who check the plans. So just give me a moment. Yeah, so yeah, uh checked by uh checked by PDA, Shower Development Authority, drawn by engineer Umar, and date of issue. So yeah, you can just basically modify every single feature that is being available to you guys. It's so easy and so much helpful that if you learn this software in depth, it will train you and give you more expertise. And I hope these lectures were meaningful, and I wish you very best luck for your future, that you learn more about the software, implement the strategies that I have explained you guys, and can create more professional drawings. You can use the resources like Revit City or BIM Object websites that will help you download more families. You just have to create an account over there, and all the families are available to you for free. You can go into multiple directions in Revit. For example, you want to do renderings, you want to move to the structure side or steel structure, you want to move to precast members, you want to move to HVAC, mechanical engineering aspect. You can do all of these things, and the rest of the tabs are just the added features in Revit. You can also create site plans and 3D site in Revit. There are loads and loads of things that you can explore in Revit. But this was a short introductory course which trained you how you can master the skill and create professional drawings in Revit like this. And I hope you learned something. You learn how to create floor plans, how to assign colors, how to assign uh, the 3D lines that you can see over here, the gutters, the pipes, everything that is being shown. I hope it was really helpful for you guys. And that's all from my end. This is Umar Ahmad signing off, and you can contact me anytime. The Details are in description, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. Thanks so much. Take care and goodbye.